Welcome to Math with MayBell. MayBell is right here with her buddy Rufus, ready to do some math. So yesterday we looked at our strategy called GEMS, and we call it GEMS because we're working with numbers and operations and following a specific order to solve a problem with numbers and operations. Today our task is add parentheses. We know that parentheses look like this. That's why I have them around the word. Add parentheses to make this equation true. We want our answer to equal 2, but our grouping symbols and our rules have to be followed in a specific order. We, in 5th grade, talked about the acronym GEMS. And using that acronym to help us remember the order of operations. So we know that our G stands for grouping symbols. We're going to put those grouping symbols in based on the order of the operations that we have to follow. Are there any exponents? No, there's no exponents, so that's not something that we would have to put in parentheses. However, I do see some multiplication and division. My rule of thumb to my students is to always try the multiplication first because that gives you a bigger group to divide by. I know that I'm going to do multiplication and division first, so I'm going to start off with a bracket around the multiplication and division that's in the problem. But since I'm going to do the multiplication first, I'm going to go ahead and put parentheses around my multiplication. And then my final order of operation would be to subtract or add. And I do see addition in the problem. So let's use some trial and error. Let's work this out to see if we get the answer 2. So starting with our grouping symbols, 6 times 3 gives us 18. So we've done that already. Inside of those brackets, we still have to divide by 9. We know that 18 divided by 9 is 2. So we've done what's inside the bracket. We have 2 to work with. Outside of the bracket, we have 0 to add to our 2. Look there. Our answer checks out. So today, again, we practice the order of operations using our GEMS strategy to check our thinking. Yesterday, I really enjoyed seeing a lot of emails that had some of your own numerical expression using your words. Today, I'd like to challenge you again. Come up with an equation and answer it, but put the grouping symbols in your equation where it would make the equation true. So I'm looking forward to getting your emails or seeing your post under this video. I'm going to have to lean down to give MayBell her treat because she's lazy for math today. Good job, MayBell. And Rufus, good job. Have a good day. Thanks for joining us for math today.